Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'm really excited to present you with this beautiful Audi approved A4 Avant, which is a black edition model. 2-litre petrol engine which gives off 190 PS. I'm going to start by giving you a 360 overview about this stunning vehicle. Starting at the front of the car, we've got the very striking LED headlights giving you the visibility that you need on every single journey, as well as the beautiful blacked out grille, part of the black styling package on this vehicle as it is a black edition. Around the side of the vehicle we've got the stunning 19-inch 5-arm design diamond cut alloy wheels which look incredible out on the roads, as well as the black exterior door mirrors, another part of the black styling package on this vehicle. They are electrically adjustable with heated, so they are perfect for those winter months ahead as well. We've also got the roof rails, making it a very practical estate car. Moving on into the back, where your passengers will be able to relax in maximum style and comfort in the back of this A4. With the leather and Alcantara seats, the centre armrest just for added comfort on those longer journeys especially, and the ISOFIX points so your little ones will be safe at all times, as well as charging points and climate control so they'll never be without the favourite devices. Moving to the rear end of the vehicle, we've also got the parking sensors which give you the maximum confidence whilst manoeuvring or parking this A4 Avant up in any tight parking space. We have got the tailpipes finished in chrome to give that added feeling to it, as well as all the S-line body styling including the rear spoiler in high gloss black. Moving on into the boot size on this A4 Avant, as we can see it definitely does not disappoint neither, with the incredible space of what you'll be able to put in it. It's a very practical space. You've got extra storage as well as a 12-volt socket, and you'll also be able to put both back seats down, those larger items especially. And the powered operated tailgate makes it extremely handy if you do happen to have your hands full. And the privacy glass ensures your passengers feel a lot more at home and private in the back of this vehicle as well. Moving on into the front cabin, we are greeted by such an impeccable interior, which includes the three-spore multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel, which really adds the sportiness into the interior. And as we make our way round to the seats, we have got the leather and Alcantara front sport seats, and they're all manually adjustable. So that concludes 360 overview, and now it's time to dig a little bit more about the interior about this beautiful A4 Avant. Making our way back inside, we've got the door mirror controls, so it's incredibly easy to get your mirrors in the perfect position, especially with the electrically folding. We've got the automatic headlights, meaning every single journey will be as effortless as possible for yourself. But moving on to the flat bottom steering wheel with the S-line badging there on the bottom, we have got the cruise control system with freewheeling capability and the speed limiter. All the steering wheel controls, from the left hand side you'll be able to change the virtual cockpit display, and from the right hand side activate voice control and answer those important phone calls whilst you're out on the go. But right in front of the driver, here is where it maximises on the convenience, as you'll be able to get up the radio stations, manage connected devices, connect your mobile phone up and get those important directions up. This A4 Avant has done 5,998 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really handy to have a spare. Moving onwards, we have got the multimedia interface in the centre of this cabin, which is really accessible for you and your passenger to access. We have got the sat nav, so it'll get you from A to B with route guidance along the way. Telephone interface, so you'll be able to make those important phone calls and never miss another one. The media players, to be able to connect up your loved devices and your favourite ones through Bluetooth and play your favourite tracks. And last, the DAB digital radio, so you'll have an endless list of radio stations where you'll be able to choose from and find your favourites. And the feature of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, so you'll be able to easily connect up your mobile phone. Further down, we've got the very deluxe climate control, so you'll be able to set the rear temperature, and both you and your passenger in the front will be able to have the both sides of the car on a different temperature, as well as the heated seats. We have got the automatic gearbox and the front centre armrest just for added comfort. But underneath we've got Audi's wireless phone box. So thank you for watching this video on this Audi approved A4 fan, which is a black edition model, which is part of the Audi approved use scheme. This includes a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside with flexible finance packages. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us on 01254 868 216. Thank you for watching.